Let's go, guys. Let's start with the logo. Welcome to Artificial Intelligence.
Welcome to the Treasures.
An episode that was titled and creatively developed by Mark Zuckerberg. Yes, Mark Zuckerberg has interacted with my advanced AI model for various insights and developments. Finally, we did what we were all eagerly waiting for. Converting text into images. Additionally, converting those images into videos for free without any restrictions or limits. You can create videos, you can make long stories. All of this for free. Yes, just as you heard. Of course, the link we use is in the description or comments. If it's your first time watching us, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel now. Like the video. Activating the notification bell is essential. You'll get notified when a new episode is released. Listen to our comments. Your feedback is invaluable to us. The video spreads widely to reach many viewers. I'm Ibrahim Mahdi. Let's start the explanation. Initially, hey guys, I want to tell you that this video is one of the beautiful videos that truly amazed me and truly made me incredibly very happy when I utilized the amazing website, Meta AI. Certainly, it is, of course, produced by Meta Platforms. As you know, it has a specific owner. It really created an amazing AI model. It's more than wonderful. Of course, it's a very simple chat model. You can inquire about various topics, and it will respond to you very accurately. But what's special is that you can create images based on the provided text. You can move these images and in the dimensions you want. Let's give this a practical try and see how it goes. I don't want to take too long. This area is visible here. You'll start writing the description of the image you want. For example, I asked for an image of a child using a computer and typing on a keyboard. So we click on this arrow. Let's see the result. The great thing about this model is that it's very fast and it gives you 4 options to choose from. So it's good that it provides you with multiple choices. You can clearly see what works best for your needs. It provided us with 4 images. The 4 images are very expressive of what we asked for exactly. Then it shows you the 4 images. For the first time, the aspect ratio appears here at the bottom, or the dimensions you want for the image. If we click on it, the standard is 1:1, square image dimensions. Then you have the 9:16, which is for a tall image. And we have the 16:9, which is wide like YouTube video dimensions. So if we click here and select, then click on generate. It will start creating 4 new images with the wide YouTube dimensions. Or it has indeed given us the wide dimensions for YouTube. For example, if we select this image, as you can see, it will begin to stretch here to the full width, resulting in improved quality and clarity. If you want to download the image as it is, click here on this arrow. It will ask you to choose the location where you want to save it. We unified the section and then we click on the sim below. We preserved the image. Let's say we want to convert it into a video. Option located at the bottom. The animate option is the movement option. We click on it and patiently wait for a few moments. It will start creating a video, for example, lasting 4 seconds with very good movement. As you can clearly see, it executed the movement exceptionally well in this way. Of course, if you wish to download the video directly to your computer, you can access the site on both mobile and computer. Click the arrow as well. We viewed the video in full and clicked on the 3 dots. And then we download, as you can see here, choose a file name and save it securely on our computer or mobile device for future access. The advantage is that you can create an unlimited number, even now. Currently, it remains completely free with no usage limits. I've created a large number of images and videos using it. I've dedicated hours to this work. It didn't say to stop. So far, it is working effectively without any limits. I sincerely hope it continues to function like this, because this dish truly deserves to be tried. For instance, selecting this girl's photo. It is also visible at the bottom. We clicked on animate. It requires my enthusiasm. I mean, it truly is quite impressive how incredibly fast it moves the image. As you can see, the movement is also excellent. Okay, let's create other styles. You can easily see just how much you can create stunningly beautiful images and captivating videos. And I'll also tell you that there are options you need to focus on. For example, I had a Ferrari car running in a racing loop. Clicking on styles reveals the options. You'll find that you have all the styles available, whether it is 3D vibrant cartoon or classic 2D animation. You have all the styles, including realistic. Realistic means the image appears strikingly lifelike and authentic. Of course, we also have the modes. As you can clearly see, there's a distinct cyberpunk style, for example. Text with neon lights. There are, of course, numerous different shapes you can choose from. All of them are beautiful. We also have lighting. The lighting, for example, can be set for sunset, at night, during the day, in a dark setting. You choose the shape you want. We select Sense 6, which is the sunset mode. As you can see, we have indeed created the flashy cars and there is movement in the sky. And of course, we have colors. You can select a color shape or apply a specific color filter if desired. For example, we will choose this image. I like this image more. Now we will animate the design and see how the movement will ultimately look. As you can clearly see, I made the car move more than just once, as indicated. All of them are very good movements, and you can upload the video. This site allows you to create full stories using artificial intelligence completely for free. You can create many scenes, write them, and then convert them all into images. Or you can create complete cartoons or movies. Of course, I truly find the site to be excellent and impressive so far. I can create a full-length video on this site later, God willing, if you're interested. You can now subscribe to our channel, like the video, and enable notifications. You get notified when a new episode is out. I hope to see you always in good spirits. Goodbye.